Hi guys, I am Isa. Today we're going to learn how to record audio in HTML, CSS, and JS. So firstly, we need a play button and a pause button. So I'm just going to add a button tag, one which says play, and another one which says pause. Also, in case you didn't know, I'm using the Art Preview extension. I'm using this live preview extension, which makes it so that it can display, this pane which shows your website beside your project. So anyways, and we're going to also add a span which says explosion.wave. So that's pretty much it. So now it's time to do the JavaScript. I'm going to say script. Let const play button is equal to documents.getElement by ID play. I'm going to say const pause button is equal to document.getElement by ID pause. So now that I have these things, I'm going to say const audio is equal to new audio. So this will be our audio player. Oh yeah, and I'm just going to write explosion.wave. You also have to write the path of the audio. So I'm going to say, I'm just going to add a tag which says on click. I'll say play button dot add event listener click. That's going to be a function. I'm going to say audio dot play. So now we have to actually add the IDs here. So in here, I'm going to give it an ID of play button of play. And here, I'm going to give it an ID of pause. So now you can see that if you press the play button, the sound plays. If you press the pause button, nothing happens. So I'm going to say pause button dot add event listener click. I'm going to be another function. I'm going to say audio dot pause. So now you can see that if you press the pause button in the middle of the audio being played, it pauses. So now it's time to add the styling. So now I'm going to say style, and now it has some stuff. So I'm going to say style button, and I'm going to say background, and I'm going to say black. I'm just going to change this to like RGBA. I'm going to say border none, and I'm also going to say color white. I'm going to say padding 5px, and also going to say border radius 5px. Now the buttons look like that. I'm also going to say button hover background. Just going to make it a actually I'm going to just change it to white. Now it does that because there's no background, so we have to add a background. So to add a background, I'm just gonna let me just change these values a little. So we're going to add a div, and I'm going to name it like I'm going to have a class of frame. now if I just, I'm just format the code. Okay, so now I have this frame div. So I'm gonna say dot frame. So it's going to say dot frame. On the frame, I'm gonna say background linear gradients black RGB 50 50 50. Okay, so now it looks like that. I'm just gonna so now it looks like that. I'm also gonna say this asterisk. I'm gonna say font family Constellus because I know it's a good font. Okay, so now the font family is better. So this explosion.wave, it's kind of not there. So I'm going to say span color white. So now you can see that the span has white color. Wait and pause button still work. So now it's time to just add a border radius to the frame, a border radius of 10px. And a padding of like 10px as well. So now, also let me just add a width content. Okay, so now let's add some sort of, I don't know, image thing. So we're going to say div class image, and it's nothing. So we're going to add some styling. So dot image width 200. px, height 200px, and I'm going to say so now you can see that it looks like that. So I'm going to say background white. So now we have that white box thing. Okay, so now we have that white box thing. Also going to say margin like 5px, 10px. Okay, I'm going to say border radius 5px, and let me also just increase its width to 250px. So now it looks like that. So I'm going to, also change the background from this bland white background to the image. I'm just gonna, like the image, the image that I put inside of my folder. So here you can see that the image is a bit zoomed in. So I'm just gonna say background size 100%. So now you can see that the background is there. Then I'm also going to say in this frame place, I'm also going to say user select none. So now you can't select any of the text there. You can only click the buttons. Okay, so we're kind of done. Okay, so now we're done with our audio playing thing. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, so leave a like and subscribe. So bye.